Good morning. My name is Dr. Comfort ADOKWE Obed. I'll be taking you a course titled Introduction to Gender Studies. In our Module 1, we'll be teaching Introduction to Gender Studies, while we take Unit 1 as Understanding Gender Concepts. In the first unit, you will gain a broader understanding of gender concepts, the guiding frameworks in gender studies, and learn about the historical perspectives on gender. Gender studies emerged in the second half of the 20th century as feminist movements challenged traditional gender roles and norms. As an academic field, gender studies seeks to promote a greater understanding and acceptance of diversity through the exploration of the social, cultural, and political dimensions of gender and sexuality. It also examines how gender shapes our experiences, identities, and relationships. It also explores how it intersects with other social categories such as race, class, sexuality, to shape the experience of oppression and privilege. Gender studies draws roots from a range of disciplines, including sociology, anthropology, psychology, history, literature, and political science. It is relevant to a wide range of professions and industries, including education, healthcare, law, politics, and media. Key areas of study in gender studies includes 1. Gender identity and expression. 2. Gender inequality and discrimination. 3. Feminist theory and activism. 4. Queer theory. 5. Masculinity studies. Let us break down some gender terminologies. 1. We have gender versus sex. What is the difference between gender and sex? Gender and sex are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same thing. Sex refers to biological and physiological differences between males and females, including reproductive organs, chromosomes, and hormones. Gender, on the other hand, refers to the social and cultural roles, behaviors, expectations, and identities associated with being a male or a female. Gender is a social construct, meaning that it is created and reinforced through social interactions and cultural norms. It varies across cultures and historical periods, and it is not fixed or innate. Gender is learned through socialization, beginning in childhood, and is reinforced through social institutions such as family, education, media, religion, and politics. Because gender is a social construct, it is not limited to the binary categories of male and female. It can be expressed in a variety of ways, including through gender identity, gender expression, and sexual orientation. Gender identity. This refers to an individual's internal sense of being male, female, or something else. And gender expression refers to the ways which individuals present themselves to others through clothing, behavior, and other forms of self-expression. Sexual orientation refers to an individual's romantic and or sexual attraction to others. Note, it is important to recognize that gender is not a fixed or static concept, and that it can vary both within and across cultures. Gender is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon and understanding, it requires careful attention to the ways in which it is constructed, expressed, and experienced by individuals and groups. Thank you very much.